Good morning, people. Yes, new adventure. Yes, so we're chasing waterfalls today. I'm gonna show you a nice waterfall. I've never been there. I just saw some pictures. So you guys and me gonna explore this place. Yeah. Stay tuned. People, hi! That's pool number 1. Ah, that's so pretty. Yes. And the sun is so hot. So like, I'm jumping into that first pool, I guess. Let's see what's going on here. Testing. Yeah, doable. Not as cold as the Blue Mountain river I was the other day. So yeah. People, this is amazing. I love it. This is so beautiful. So there are more pools. So we're just checking out all of the pools before jumping in, right? See? Yeah, gotta go right here. Yeah, but first we're exploring the jungle. Yeah, see? We have all the wines. Yeah, wait on me. Are we gonna explore this? Oh my God, people, this is so lovely. I love it. This is so nice. So apparently, there are deep. So the one we just saw is the deeper one, and then there are other pools for maybe non-swimmers. So we're gonna check this out. Yeah, I just love it. So beautiful. It's my first time here, and people. You see, there's a rope.
Maybe Jessica.
Oh, there. That's cute. So how deep is it?
Like 20 feet.
Any stone or something down there?
Well, try to jump to that side.
Here? Alright, I'm gonna send in. Come back.
Take a wicked shot after that.
Yeah, man. We're on the edge. Yeah. Just look at that tree. Amazing. Nice big root. Huh? Yeah, man. Looking at the root. Yeah. Yeah. Jungle vibe. Okay, so I've seen all the pools. I want to jump in. I have to make sure first, which one is the best. They're all great. So let's get it started. Let the adventure begin. Yeah, and it's so hot. So yeah, can't wait. Da-da! Ta-ta-ta-ta! Fair, first jumper, getting ready. No, wait! I need to come closer. Hold on. The current. Yeah. People, current is here, man. And we have some little cavey. Woohoo! This is so nice. Look at this. I want to check out that part too. The little baby pool on the other side. Alright, people, we're checking out pools.
You feel good? You feel good?
Eh? Oh, wow. Rocks. A mystical place, and it's so cool, but the camera cannot capture it, I guess. But the leaves are falling, so it gives this mystical ambience with the river, the waterfall, and all of the leaves are like falling, flying, and maybe sometimes it's a butterfly. It's just, I love it. People, there's supposed to be lunch. When I hear lunch, yeah. Did somebody said lunch? Where's lunch? Where's the lunch? Man. Let's see.
Yes, you're right.
We have all this living in the trees.
I know where the trees.
Lunch is here, but I want a nice spot. This is nice. Yes, this looks like I'm gonna have my lunch here. Yeah, with a pretty view. Oh, this is so nice. Yes. Right, people, so for lunch we have sweet and sour fish. Yes, sweet and sour fish. So here, sweet and sour, we have the pasta salad and rice and peas. Amazing part, all of this with this view. All right. Alright, let's see how it tastes. Yeah. Nice. The view. People, I'm so hungry and it's so good. Yeah. I think this rice is made like in some real coconut. Yeah. Huh?
It's good.
Yeah, very good. The rice and peas, delicious. Sweet and sour fish, I was skeptic. I'm like, yeah, but yes, I'm convinced. People, food nice. You want some? So you late and short?
By chance, you'll get 2 more? 3 more?
This food was so good. Big up that chef. Have to find out his name. Yeah. Whatever. Chef, yeah. Big up yourself. The adventure continues. You guys know me. We're not finished. Food all over me. Oh Lord. Stay tuned. Much more coming. Yes. So we're going. No, I'm not telling you. Stay tuned. Yes. Go to the most famous bar in the world. Yeah, most spectacular bar. If you know another spectacular bar like the bar am I going, please leave that in the comments below. I would like to know. But so far of what I've traveled, this is definitely the most spectacular, a unique bar, because the bar is there. So to get to the bar, to get there, you need a boat. Yes, you need a boat to get to the bar. So if you want to drink a beer, you need a boat. So we're waiting on the boatman because we want to go and drink a beer. Yes. All right, people. Ready? Yeah? So we're supposed to go through this step? Yes. Welcome to Pelican Bar. Yes, Pelican Bar. Yeah. This is so cool. Can eat and drink. Yeah. Back in my element. At Pelican Bar, and it's amazing. Yeah, just come out here, have your beer, have a drink. Yeah, water in my eyes. And basically you just chill. Yeah. Right here. I'm on the dark side or amazing. Look at the view. Yes. So we're going back now. We had our drink. Yes, definitely an amazing adventure to come out here on the boat, have your drink. You can eat as well. It's just the perfect chill spot. Yes, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, so our boat is back to take us back, and we're going back. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Alright guys. Please remember to subscribe, like and share.